Hello friends, welcome to Jiku Dairy's YouTube channel for the review of the first day's play. Well, rather the scheduled second day, but since the original first day yesterday was a total washout, on Thursday was technically the first day of the first test between New Zealand and India at Bengaluru's M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. The World Test Championship table leaders, India, faced the embarrassment of being dismissed for only 46 runs, 10 runs more than their lowest ever total, that was in Adelaide in 2020-21 on the tour of Australia, and 4 runs more than their second lowest of 42 against England in 1974. New Zealand made a strong reply, taking no time to wipe out the deficit, and are sitting on a healthy 134-run lead, reaching the 180 for 3 at stumps on Thursday. India's third lowest total and the lowest ever on home soil was courtesy brilliant seam bowling by the New Zealand pace trio of the experienced Tim Southee, the rookie William Rourke, and one who has had experience of playing in India, Matt Henry. They were supported by some outstanding catches, at least 5 of them, that even if they had not taken those 5 catches, they could have been called as brilliant attempts. The catches that Glenn Phillips took at leg gully to remove Virat Kohli for 0, falling forward, the one that Ajaz Patel took at point off a cut shot by Yashasvi Jaiswal, the ball travelling at a great speed and the fielder showing his sharpness, Devon Conway anticipating and moving to the direction of the ball to hold on to a Sarfaraz Khan mistimed drive and taking the catch single-handed, diving to his right, Matt Henry himself running from long leg to catch a Jasprit Bumrah skyer, taking it at deep square leg, and finally substitute Bracewell. These are the kind of catches that win you matches, and certainly on Thursday, New Zealand are put in a comfortable position with the fielders complementing their bowlers. India, well, they erred on 2 counts after winning the toss. They dropped the performing speedster Akashdeep, definitely a wicket taker, and went in with a third spinner in Kuldeep Yadav. And secondly, they chose to bat first on winning the toss when the conditions with overcast sky, fresh moisture after the pitch was under covers for 2 days, and some chillness in the air, that it was presenting New Zealand with the conditions that they excel in. New Zealand certainly felt at home. Such were the conditions, and they succeeded in bowling India to their third lowest total in Test cricket. And there are 5 players who fell for no score. The second time in this calendar year after the Cape Town Test match in South Africa in January this year. New Zealand went in with 3 pacers and were not required to test their spinners Ajaz Patel, left arm spinner, and off spinner Glenn Phillips. New Zealand, though, the lanky William Rourke took time to adjust to the Indian surface on his first test in India. He got the batsman to err. Rourke finished with 4 for 22, while Matt Henry took 5 for 15 and thereby reaching 100 test wickets in his career, the last man Kuldeep Yadav being his milestone man. The Indian downfall was triggered by former captain Tim Southee, who had the Indian skipper Rohit Sharma in all sorts of trouble before getting the ball to move in after pitching and knocking the bail as Rohit went for a desperate shot. Kohli, Sarfaraz Khan, who had come in for Shubman Gill, who's recovering from a stiff neck, KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja and Ravichandran Ashwin all fell for zeros. And as the sun beat harshly on as the day wore on, conditions became very good to bat, and their explosive opener, Devon Conway, went after the Indian bowlers, driving, sweeping, reverse sweeping. Kuldeep Yadav, at the start, he removed opener and captain Tom Latham, trapping him leg before wicket, though he was given not out initially by umpire Paul Rifle, but India had a successful DRS. Conway was well on way to his 5th Test 100, but a rush of madness took over him, missing a reverse sweep against Ashwin in the off-spinner's first ball of a new spell and was bowled for 91. It was indeed a bad day in office, as India captain Rohit Sharma admitted at the end of the day in his address to the media. He also admitted that he misread the pitch, and it happens, he said, a bad day in office. Not only did their batting fall, that is Indian batting fail, but they also missed quite a few chances. Rohit Sharma himself dropping a chance at slip, Rishabh Pant missing a stumping chance, a run-out chance was missed which would otherwise have separated Will Young and Devon Conway early. Well, New Zealand capitalized on these chances and made merry and made India feel for their decision made at the toss. Well, the match is still not lost for India, and Rohit Sharma admitted that India have to restrict New Zealand to as less a lead as possible, bat big in the second innings and make a match of it. Well, there are 3 more days to go. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.